On today's show, we're going to slip down to the Bahamas and take a look at a Bahamian recipe known as hot crab meat. Kind of straightforward, straight to the point. It's a nice little spread, or you can put it in a ramekin and eat it as is. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Hey, I tell you what, we've got everything we need right here. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees, so I tell you what, let's head a little south and get started on our Bahamian hot crab meat right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our Bahamian hot crab meat dish. We've got everything we need right here. Like I said a few seconds ago, we've got our oven preheated at 350 degrees. Let's take a look at what we got. We got a half a pound of plump crab meat sitting right there. Heck yeah, that's kind of the star of our dish today. We've got 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Got a little paprika hiding back over here, kind of hard to see over here. Get that in a sec. We've got some Worcestershire sauce, we've got some heavy cream, and we've got some hot sauce. That's a tablespoon, and teaspoon. Right here we've got a tablespoon of chopped onions, and right here we've got a teaspoon. That doesn't look all that nice, does it? How about that right there? Yeah, doesn't look all that great. This is horseradish powder that we've rehydrated. Now, the recipe does call for horseradish. You can go this route, or you can get regular horseradish from the store and use that. So, that, for the most part, is it. How about that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we got salt and pepper, 9, 10. That's to taste. So, I think it's time for us to begin pulling everything together. So, I tell you what, we're going to come over and get our glass bowl together, and we're going to add our cream. Well, I think we are. We're going to add our cream cheese just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and begin to kind of sort of cream that up and get it a little loose. Although it has been out for a while and is room temperature, it's got a little body to it, if you know what I mean. So anyway, we're going to come in here and we're just going to mix this up and try to loosen it up some. Then I'm just going to work this in just like so. All right, I tell you what, I think we've got that thing loosened up a little bit. I'm going to come in here and knock that cream cheese off my spoon. It's like this. Oh yeah, heck yeah. Looking good. I don't know what I'm going to do. Put you over here and out of the way. Next, essentially what we're going to do is going to bring everything together kind of at one time. But that's what the recipe calls for. What I'm doing is I'm kind of sort of creaming my sour cream. Then I'm going to come in here with my liquids, put that in, mix that up, and I come back in with my onion. Then I'm going to come in here with the horseradish powder, rehydrated stuff, or if you're using plain horseradish, you can go in there at that time. Then we'll add a little salt and pepper to taste, and then we'll fold our crab meat in right at the end. So I tell you what, let's go ahead. Get this in here, and I'm just going to pour it in just like so. And not with this one. That one's just a little too big. I'm going to grab my small spatula and get all that out of there, just like so. All those flavors. Okay, there we are. So, into the sink you go, and I'll probably just let you go that way too. Now I'm going to come back with our spoon, and I'm just going to kind of sort of work all this in there, all of these great flavors, that heavy cream that's going to add a little bit more body to everything we've got in here. And then, I tell you what, this is not the best looking stuff right now, but hey, that's okay. It is going to be unbelievably delicious. So, just like that. Now, this is actually coming together nicely. It's nice and loose. So we're just going to come in here and get this all mixed together and well combined. Oh, I tell you what, see there, that whole thing came together looking a little better than it did a second or two before, but we're gonna come in just like that. Heck yeah, that was looking good. I'm gonna bring my spatula back, do this, get that off the spoon, and then scrape the sides down, just like so. Do this, keep trading off a little bit. Hold the spoon like you should, Dave. Just like that. Okay, there we are. Okay, we'll finish that off here again in a second. I'm going to put you right there because I need you. I'm going to come in with our onion. Add him. You know what? Okay, man, I want to get all those flavors. Don't want to lose or leave anything out. Come in here. We're going to add and just do a little bit more of that mixing. Just like so. Heck yeah, now we're going to come in with our horseradish powder that has been rehydrated. And you might be saying, well, how do you rehydrate it? Well, we use a teaspoon. Well, since this is a teaspoon, I used a teaspoon of our horseradish powder and about a teaspoon and a half of cold water. Then I mixed it together, and you need to let that thing kind of sit for about 10 minutes. Very similar to wasabi. If you ever worked with that, the powdered wasabi, you mix wasabi half and half. You gotta let that thing sit for about 10 minutes, and that potency comes out of it. And also the Coleman's mustard, that English mustard that's in a powder, you gotta do the same thing. Mix together, equal parts, and let it sit. I don't know what happens. There's some kind of magic that goes on chemistry-wise that brings those flavors out. So, flavors in the heat. Yep, so we're gonna come in here just like that. Add this. Okay, just like so. In you go, and now let's combine this. Voila. Just like so. Mix away, get everything well combined. Oh, heck yeah, man, that looks perfect. Not almost, perfecto, man, heck yeah. So let's come in here with a little bit of salt, not a lot, because that crab's gonna have a little bit in there, and then not a lot of pepper, because we've got the we've got the horseradish, and we've got that hot sauce in there too, so we don't want to get too carried away. So again, let's get it all well combined, just like so. Heck yeah. Now let's come in back with our purple spatula. Get that out of here. Just like so. Yep, and then I'm just going to hold on to that, and let's scrape the sides down. Yes, voila. Just like that. And let's get everything off of the spatula and back in here. Hide you back over there. Now it is time for our lump crab meat. Voila, just like that. Heck yeah, man, yum yum. So now I'm going to come in here, we're going to fold this. Try not to break, trying to get in there and tear that thing up with the spoon. We just want to fold it and get that crab dispersed throughout our little cream cheese deliciousness down in there. Oh man, heck yeah. Oh man, heck yeah, check that out right there. Get all that stuff off the sides and get it down into our little pre-finished product, because we got to stick it in the oven coming up here in a quick sec. Now, there are all kind of ways I guess we could serve this. You know, we could come in like with little small ramekins or this little dish here. But what I'm going to do is I've got this little oven-safe dish. I've hit it with some of that cooking spray so it doesn't stick. And I tell you, I think what we're going to do is we're just going to come in here and drop this guy just like this. Let's see what we can do here. Boop. Perfecto. It's almost like I had that planned. Perfect amount in it. So anyway, we're going to come in and I'm just going to kind of sort of spread this out. Just like this. And this little dish is going to be our serving dish also when we pull her out the oven in about 20 minutes. So we can come in here and just kind of sort of get that in there just like that. Heck, I don't think there's anything else. Well, you know what? There's some good stuff on that spatula. we're gonna drop you right in the corner, right there. Voila, just like that. Heck yeah, man. That was simple and pretty daggone easy. Now I'm gonna come in with our last little ingredient, and we're gonna hit it with a little paprika just to add a little color to it. Not a lot. Just gonna come in just, well, is it gonna come out? There we are, just like that. Voila, there we are. Don't need a lot. Heck no. So, you know what? It is time for us to begin cooking. About 20 to 30 minutes in the oven. It's been preheated at 350. We can take a look at it right about that 18 to 20 minute mark to make sure everything is looking delicious. It's been about 22 minutes, I guess. I took a look at it. It's bubbling away, and I wish you could smell it. I wish we had smell-o-vision right here. Heck yeah, man, I tell you what, it smells great. I'm going to go ahead and try to grab it. Try not to get hurt. Oh, yeah. Oh, check that out. Heck yeah. Wow, yum, yum. Yes. Oh, wow, man, that thing looks awesome. Now, how are we going to present this? Well, we're going to come over here, gut ourselves a little long platter like that. A couple little small spoons. We got some sea salt and black cracked pepper crackers. We got some sea salt, little small flat bread crackers right here. And let's see, I'm going to take this, move these over here, and we also have a couple little lemon wedges. Hey, you got to have lemon wedges with any kind of crab dip or crab or anything like that. So here we go. So far, I haven't hurt myself today. Day's still young. So I tell you, let's come in here just like this. Oh, heck yeah. I was getting ready to touch that. You can see that stuff is kind of still bubbling away. Heck yeah. But oh man, check that out. Yum, that is going to be delicious right there. Heck yeah. Oh man, there it is, y'all. Heck yeah, simple, quick and easy. And you maybe say, how do you know that's a Bahamian recipe? Well, I tell you, because it came out of a Bahamian cookbook. Exactly. So I tell you what, here you go. There it is. Oh, it smells delicious. Heck yeah. This thing is very similar to our Meeting Street crab or our crab royale. Hey, guess what? Right down there, there is our Meeting Street crab. Hey, right here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. It all helps. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.